Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to fix this file explorer. Sometimes it can be hanged, it can not respond, or it can become frozen. So there is a trick that you can do. You can open your task manager, and right inside the task manager there will be this process here of file explorer. If you see, this is the explorer window. Sometimes it becomes not responding, and to fix that issue, simply right click on this, and you will see this option of restart. So if you see, right click this on this process and just click this option, and it will automatically restart your explorer, and it will reset this. So it doesn't require any restart of your computer. It resets the file explorer window and then automatically adjust itself. So if you face any sort of issues, simply open the task manager window. You can access it from the start menu, and inside start task manager you will see this Windows Explorer or both of this. So simply click any of this, right click, and you will see this option restart, and simply click this restart button to actually fix all these issues, and it will automatically restart and fix all those issues. So in this easy way you can do this using your task manager. It will fix all the issues related to file explorer. If it is not responding or it's frozen, you can do this process inside your Windows 10 Windows 11 machine. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.